Hi, Paula Jo from SederQuilts. I'm going to take all this, I'm going to create a quilt, and then I'm going to package it up in a kit just for you. It even includes the free pattern, but you're not even going to need that because it's all ready to sew. In this bag are 9 sections of the cross of many squares, and this one happens to be on an American flag. And each section is stacked and labeled. The first pair of squares are clipped together with a clip-it, and the top row, the northwest, the north, and the northeast are all in the lightest color pins and the lightest color clip-it, and then the midsection of the west and the center and the east are in the middle tone colors of pins and clip-its, and then the bottom row of the southwest, the south, and the southeast are in the darkest clip-its and flathead pins, and each section is bagged and labeled, and it's all together there. And the little pairs of squares are already matched up, ready to go. You just sit down at the machine and start sewing. Easy peasy. Then this particular package also has borders and binding already cut into 5-inch borders and 2.5-inch bias binding, and this is a complete kit. This is ready to go. When you order your kits for the cross of many squares, most of them are going to be the traditional layout. This one happens to be the American flag. This is a special edition, limited edition. You can have just the main layout, or you can have it with borders, or you can have it with binding, or you can have the whole thing. Yeah, it's all set and ready, and this is ready to go out. All right, see you later. Toodaloo.